this would be easier if you were in here.
Well, we would be if Sophie weren't already old friends with the ambassador.
I wouldn't say old friends, exactly.
The United States is pleased to make the first payment for construction of the Trans-Ukrainian oil pipeline to Her Royal Highness, Princess Magda of Slovenia.
So the handyman is from Slovenia?
It used to be Yugoslavia, part of the medieval Holy Roman Empire. History in witchcraft and ancient practices.
Like alchemy?
Rudolph was born there in 1959, learned his trade from his grandfather, and he owes the Bank of Eureka $68,000. Texas Hold'em online.
Maybe Rudolph's working on a way to settle that debt.
My uncle's problem was he went to the Russians in Brooklyn too much for the cars. That he kept the best stuff for himself, shipped it off to St. Petersburg. Slovenia and Montenegro. They got people over there that profited from those conflicts. They got fucking bales of liquid cash. And you got contacts in the markets over there.
Tom, you try this octopus yet?
I'm talking here.
Hey, I thought you'd be asleep.
I can't sleep, not with all that's going on.
What's going on?
Look what I found. Vizhnya Gora. It's in Slovenia, right in the middle.
And we care about that because...
Because that is where your mom's email was sent from.
So she's in Slovenia.
Or was when she sent the email. What kind of trouble is she in?
She's a Grim. A lot of people want her dead. She's on her way to Greece, and she's out there all alone.
Daddy, what are you gonna do? Daddy, what are you gonna do?
I don't know. I can't leave the building because she could come back.
You gonna call Mama?
No.
You're not?
Lily!
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 Lily! Salon Master B! Casey! Casey Kaikilas! Please, Mo! Please, Frosty!
Hey, what is that? Hey, what is that? What are you saying?
Slovenian. My friend Marcus in school is teaching me.